Shut your mouth, SpongeBob! And I'm gonna see you in hell! Ugh.
Dad! I mean, Mom!
It's showtime.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at you, woman!
Honey, it's 10 o'clock in the morning and you're already drinking? 10 o'clock in the morning? I thought it was 10 o'clock at night. Your dad's turning into an alcoholic.
Alright! Do we have a problem?
Are you drinking energy drinks?
Yeah, and I need energy!
What the? You should not be drinking energy drinks, especially that many. You can get a heart attack, moron.
It's empty! Go to the store and get me another one!
No!
You... Come on, bro. You can do it! Don't be a failure today!
It's showtime.
Ooh, Mom.
You son of a booshka! What's your problem? I never whooped you before, so there it was, Casper. I don't like that face. Get out of my house and never come back.
Your house?
This ain't your house. It ain't my house. Is this supposed to be a scary game?
Yeah, super scary. But good thing Billy ain't here because he would have pooped his pants.
What is this game?
It's the new Resident Evil game. Duh.
Oh, I don't like the name of that game. Oh, nah, look at the TV.
Come on!
Why are you cracking your bones? What, do you think that makes you cool?
Yeah, it makes me cool.
Anybody could crack their bones and not be cool. For example, hey Meatball, can you crack your neck? Hello, Weasel? Is any...
Who cares what Dad says? His words mean nothing. Oh, who took my credit card? Blah, 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 blah. Who cares? May I help you?
First of all, you're being a bad role model to Billy. Second of all, you shouldn't be saying that. I'm sitting right here.
Are you sure you're right there?
What do you mean?
I mean, are you sure you're right there? Because what if you're not? What if you're really in it? You're not supposed to win.
Oh, what the hell's your problem? That's it.
No.
Game over.
Looks like I won.
That's it. I'm done with you.
What do you think you're doing?
Oh. What's going on here? Lucy, you're here! Thank the Lord!
Lucy, I need your help.
Who is that?
I don't know. It just showed up. Let me get out the way.
You son of a bushka!
Thank you.
Shut up!
Here's your huntress meal.
Yeah! I can't wait to see what cards I get today. I'll wait till I get home to open it.
Weirdo. Looks like someone got lucky and got food.
Yeah, I'm lucky. That's why my favorite cereal is Lucky Charms. Now let's see what cards I got today.
Hey, Billy, remember when I spanked you last night?
Hey, shut up.
Will you be quiet? I'm trying to play video games.
But that wasn't me, that was him.
That's it. Get rid of that puppet. I don't want to see it anymore.
Be quiet. That's why your lips are bigger than your brain.
Oh! I broke my hand. I broke my hand. Gotcha.
What do you think you're doing?
Well, I took a picture of you eating Mom's Oreos, and I think I'm gonna show it to her.
Now, Timmy, don't do that. I'll do anything.
Oh, really? Well, first you're gonna have to put on a wig. I'm running out. You suck!
I think my ears are bleeding.
Timmy, apologize to your aunt now. Say I'm sorry, I love the way you
So what do we do now? I don't know. But I'm sure that monster that was controlling me is gonna come for us. Well, I'm sure we're gonna destroy it.
That's it, honey. Let's think positive.
Amanda, look out! Looks like we're gonna play. Uh-oh. He's stronger than before.
You're damn right. One last chance. Where's the cheese?
I don't know.
That's it. You recording, right? Yeah, like you told me to. Good. Now, Weasel, get ready for this whooping.
Oh, snap. It's Big Lip Bat Boy.
You okay, Billy?
Yeah, I think so. I think one of my lungs popped.
Hey!
Sorry.
Don't you ever put those cheesy fingers on my shoulder!
I was just cleaning your shirt, but okay. Who could that be?
Billy, go answer the door.
Why me?
Now!
Oh. Yeah, what? And what are you
I know, Greg. I love wasting my dad's money.
Excuse me?
I'll call you later, Greg. Someone is annoying me.
What did you say when you walked in?
You don't need to know. It had nothing to do with you.
I think it did. You said I love wasting Dad's money.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No. So all you did was pull out her wires?
Yeah, that shut her down.
So Lucy was a robot?
How are you still alive?
I'll be the hero. Let's dig around for a good big juicy wire. You can do it, Timmy. Look.
So why did you eat all my cheese? Because I was hungry. Do you want your whooping now or in the morning? Morning? Smart choice.
Dang, Billy, you cooked my boy.
Ow! Don't worry, Billy.
You ready?
Hey, you two, Auntie Lubert's on her way. What the hell? It burns. Were you just giving him a,
Texas wedgie.
Yeah, that.
I sure was. Do you want me to give you one?
What? Get away from me. No. Oh no, you didn't go to school, so you're gonna read a book instead of playing video games.
Good one, Dad. Good one.
Honey, please come here. Yeah. Since he didn't go to school, I told him no video games and he doesn't want to listen. So be a man and handle it. Fine. No PlayStation 5.
I don't care.
Honey, here are the eggs for the Easter hunt for Billy and Timmy. Now put money in them. Have fun. Yeah, it's fun giving away my money. I'm just putting $1 in them. I'm so excited, Timmy.
Yeah.
That's all they deserve. $1 in them. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Dad, are we doing the Easter hunt? Dad? Just $1? You son of a...
Money and eggs.
Why would Dad take my PlayStation?
Well, maybe he did it for your own good.
I don't like him.
I left $5,000 in a rolled up newspaper. Has anyone seen it?
No, now go away.
I didn't see anything. Wow, can you believe that?
I know, right? Who reads the newspaper anymore?
No, not that. Never mind. Okay, that will be $700.
Here you go. That's it.
No, what the hell? What's your deal, jerk?
That's it. I'm never going back to school.
Not that I care, but why?
Today, some kid in school called me ugly. All the humanity.
Be nice. Timmy, you're not ugly.
Of course you would think that.
And why do you say that?
Because you're ugly. It's your fault I'm ugly.
How is it my fault?
And the winning numbers are 5, 2, 3, 1.
I won the lottery!
You really won?
Yeah, I did. Honey. Don't show your mother. Hold on to it.
I'll guard it with my life.
Honey, the toilet's clogged again. Again? Oh, honey, throw those papers in the trash.
No!
Now.
Fine.
Timmy, you got my lottery ticket. Let's go cash it. Hello, how can
Hi, we was calling because somebody is using your social security number, and we need you to confirm that it's yours. So can you please state it?
Wait, what? If you know that is my social, then why do I have to say it?
Sir, we're just trying to make sure that is completely right. So can you please, say it?
Well, can't you guys just say it first? And then I can confirm?
Well, see, we can't do that because then, it might get it wrong and stuff like that. So just say the last digits and that's all
right, my last digits is 911.
Hey, funny guy.
Honey, I gotta go out, so you're stuck babysitting Timmy and Billy. Oh, goody. I'm glad you're excited. See you later. Well, maybe it won't be that bad.
That's it, you're done! I told you not to look at my chips.
Ah, my head. If Billy gets a concussion, I ain't responsible.
Yes, you are. You're the adult here. Is you not?